Welcome to this walk around video. Here we have a 68 registered Land Rover Discovery HSE. Lovely specification on this car. It does have the LED headlights, all the black exterior styling is finished in Santorini Black as well. Moving down the side though, we do have the 22-inch 5 split spoke alloys, deployable side steps, and if we move around to the rear you can see the LED tail lights. In fact, we'll open it up from the rear and just show you the electric seating. So they are all electrically operated with your third row seats just there. On the interior you do have the ivory leather with the rear seat entertainment, which does include your television. It does have the fixed rear panoramic roof and the sliding front sunroof. It does also have digital 4-zone climate control with heated outer rear seats on the second row. Moving up top, you do have electric seats with driver memory function, as well as the Meridian surround sound system. You do also have winged headrests in the front as well. Heated leather steering wheel with your paddle shifts. It does also have adaptive cruise control, interactive driver's display, as well with your satellite navigation, TV, park assist, etc. all through there. And as you can see, it's heated and ventilated front seats. It does obviously also have air suspension, keyless entry, a few other bits as standard. If you do have any questions on this vehicle, please do contact us on 01423 33 11 33.